Hi, my name is Andrea Berry, and I'm from Jamestown, North Carolina, which is right outside of Greensboro. I am a second semester senior, so I graduate in December this year. I'll do my student teaching in this upcoming semester. My major is health and physical education with a minor in sports science and coaching. Um, After graduation, I plan to go to real estate school and get a real estate license, which is also my backup plan to sell real estate because I love homes and looking at homes and getting people to buy homes. So that is my backup plan. In this class, I hope to learn more about nutrition and how I can be more knowledgeable in my health field, um, specifically targeted towards young children and adolescents, and so that I can just be more prepared and feel more prepared to teach that. An interesting fact, I am double jointed in my shoulders, so that means that I can go all the way around and back. And here I am. Thank you.